A continuous line contour drawing is a drawing just like a regular contour line drawing that describes the folds, edges, and creases of something that you're looking at. It has solid lines without sketching. It has no shading. But where it differs from a traditional contour line drawing is that in an effort to use this as a skill building activity to really describe what your eye is seeing as you're tracing an object in life with your eyes, is you're not going to lift your pen or pencil once you put it down. So this is one solid continuous line that continues and meanders back and forth and describes what it is that I'm seeing. If, let's say, I held my hand like this, you can see what I'm doing is I'm tracing with my mind and my eye. I trace the outside edges, any inner folds and creases. I go through with my eye and trace, and this becomes a record of what my eye sees. So you want to make sure that when you're doing this drawing activity, that you're holding your hand in a position that is interesting. You want to make sure that once the pen or pencil goes down, you're not allowed to lift it. So just like with a regular contour line drawing, I am recording every change of direction that I see, any mark or nook or cranny or fold or crease. I'm trying to describe that with the movement of my pencil, or in this case, with my pen. Now, when you get to an area where you have nowhere to continue, that's where you have to learn to draw back on top of what you've already drawn and meander back and forth in order to keep the line a continuous solid line. So you'll notice that I back up over areas that I've already gone over. I sort of keep a little gap in between those when I do this, but that's not 100% necessary to do that. You can just back right on top of itself if that's what you're choosing to do. Now, if I get to a place where I have nowhere else to go, again, I will continue that line back out, keeping it to be one solid continuous line. You're going to continue with this until you get all the way done with the object that you're drawing.